Hi, welcome back to another episode of Crypto Outliers. In this episode, we're going to look into the market, what has been causing Bitcoin to rally. You see, Bitcoin has been moving since Friday when the non-farm payrolls came out. Came out favorably, 233,000 new jobs created. The expectation was 200,000. So Bitcoin has been rallying since Friday last week, and people are betting that the Fed will cut the interest rate, but we'll see if that happens. But investors are putting on their risk-on hats. That is why Bitcoin has been rallying, and the dollar has been kind of slowing down a bit. Dollar currently is at 103. The DXY index, dollar has been coming down softly. So it means people are selling dollars and going into risk on assets like your equities and crypto assets. S&P 500 is rallying. Dow Jones is also rallying today. 2.13% so far. Nasdaq is also rallying. US prosecutors are investigating hedge funds in connection with Binance dealings. The federal prosecutors are reportedly investigating a US-based hedge fund that have dealt with the cryptocurrency exchange Binance, according to two people familiar with the matter. The hedge funds were allegedly issued subpoenas by the U.S. Attorney Office for the Western District of Washington. So the US government is currently probing some hedge funds that are connected to Binance. Since the implosion of FTX, Binance has been under serious scrutiny by the US authorities. And this has prompted Binance to join Association of Certified Sanctions Specialists. What does it mean? It's an association that trains Binance employees on compliance with US sanctions. So this was also reported by Bitcoin.com. The Binance team have been on their side trying to be compliant, and they have joined this association to improve their compliance. The metaverse to possibly create 5 trillion in value by 2030. McKinsey reports. According to Cointelegraph, the metaverse is going to create a 5 trillion value by 2030, according to McKinsey. Although it has not been fully developed, but McKinsey believes that this is a $5 trillion economy by 2030. So how do you position yourself for this big flow of capital in the metaverse? We'll be looking in subsequent episodes on cryptos to buy, cryptos that are well positioned to capture this value, cryptos that are playing in this space. You have your Sand, you have your Illuvium, you also have your Gods Unchained. Okay, moving on. Morgan Stanley now holds Bitcoin. Morgan Stanley, one of the world's oldest investment bank with 6.5 trillion in assets under management, holds Bitcoin on behalf of their fund customers. So you can see, according to Trust Notes, Morgan Stanley is now holding Bitcoin on behalf of their fund customers. The big banks of Wall Street are now getting involved. So Bitcoin price is currently still at 17,000. If you look, Bitcoin price is 17,253. So the big banks are getting in now that the price is still very low. And what does that tell you? Tells you that the institutions are coming in, albeit slowly, but the institutions are kind of dipping their toes into the crypto waters. And finally, Sam Bankman-Fried charitable donations sought by FTX. The new management is now seeking all the funds that were donated by FTX to charitable organizations. They are seeking the repatriation of those funds. At the end of September, FTX charity arm, Future Fund, had committed more than $160 million to over 110 non-profit organizations, including bio startups and university researchers developing COVID vaccines and working on pandemic studies, as well as on non-profit organizations in India, China, and Brazil. So the new bankruptcy management is trying to repatriate all the funds that were donated by Sam Bankman-Fried and FTX. So that's all for now. Remember to hit that like button and subscribe. Click the notification bell so that you'll be notified each time we upload. Cheers. Have a good day.